G'day guys, well it's week 2 of something we've never seen before. It's just terrible, it's getting worse by the hour. We really feel for our customers that have, well every customer has been affected by that, ourselves included. There's a lot of uncertainty out there. We've had a lot of our great pubs and clubs that we supply unfortunately be shut down by the government. Same with a lot of gyms that we supply the sanitizer and bacteria products to. The people that have lost their job, we really feel for you. Here at Cargroomers, we've still got supply, we've still got raw materials. We bought more raw materials yesterday. In fact, we've actually employed a few more people. We're employing our staff family members first, and then we're putting extra shifts on to keep up with the demand of our chemicals. We're trying to employ people that have been customers in the past that may or may not be working because of this terrible situation. With that also comes the opportunity. Our antibacterial rub, and we've got a product coming out on Friday or Monday, which is going to be a hard surface cleaner and sanitizer. Now what the opportunity is for you guys in your business, be it a car wash, car dealership, any sort of business, to be able to resell this product to your market directly. We've got a lot of guys doing, a lot of car washes here in Brisbane are doing it. They're getting paid up front by credit card by the consumer, marketing it on social media and other avenues. What it does, it creates, everyone wants the product. Sell the product and you can make instant income. So it might be the difference between able to pay your staff a week or keep the doors open for another week or two. So if you're interested in doing that, please email myself directly, blair@cargroomers.com. In the subject line in capitals, please put opportunity, because I'm getting bombarded with emails and I will take those ones first and try and set you up to sell the product if that's what you want to do. The other thing is everyone was really good last week. The feedback was good from these updates. The orders at Cargroomers has been going really well. I didn't forget to mention that if you've got a shopping cart set up online to order, please also use that. And we really hope that everyone's looking after themselves and taking care of themselves and we get through this together. So let's hope that this terrible thing finishes quick, and I look forward to catching up with you soon.